Hey guys, I'm back at the table, and today I am with Brandon from Elkhart Plastics. Brandon, you are a human resource manager. How do students even learn about getting into the manufacturing industry?
Well, I think they can learn from it from their classes, from their teachers. I think it's an important industry to get into if you don't plan on going directly into college, or if
Right.
you need to get some extra money either during the summer or before you head into college.
I do actually secondary processing.
Okay.
So we're a rotomolding company that makes huge diesel tanks. And I don't actually make the tanks, but I take a sensor and build it inside of it that tells you if it's empty or full when you receive it in your bus or truck.
What would you say is the best thing about your job?
Well, there's an opportunity for growth and able to pay bills when you're making money.
What would you tell a high schooler? What was like the best piece of advice you could give them if they were also looking for something in the same industry?
If they're looking for anything in manufacturing or production, I would say that they should just go for it, really. Have a resume ready, have any sort of job experiences that they've had, or any sort of club experiences that they've had in high school, and just be prepared for the interview process.
What would you say is your favorite part of the job?
My favorite part is my coworkers. I love them. We're like a small family.
Where can people see some of the stuff that you work on in the practical everyday?
In the past, we ran parts for the highway, the big yellow buckets.
Oh, okay.
Now we run parts for semi-trucks.
What would you say is something that you really enjoy about your job?
I love the stability of my shift and the hours that it brings because it gives me the flexibility to be with my family and balance my life.
So students are on Indeed, they're on LinkedIn, they're looking for these jobs. What are some of the typical salaries or entry-level wages that they can expect?
They could expect starting off at $27K, which is $13 an hour, and at entry level. And as they come to work, and that's another key is to be punctual at work and to have great attendance.
Right, of course.
And if they show to be great employees over time, they'll grow with the company, and they can end up making anywhere from $25 to $30 an hour. You're going closer to $50,000, $60,000 a year.
I've had a lot of other jobs that set me forth, because, I wanted to get a feel for different things, but I'm set where I am and I love it. So I'm not going anywhere.
That's good.